Welcome everybody to another session of SCM, and we are continuing with our band engine. So here in this session we will first show you how to build a crystal from symmetry information as well as from the database. So first we will build a crystal. You can see that the crystal tool at the bottom. I have given an introductory session about all these things in our previous videos. So here I am just opting this crystal tool from space group. So I am planning to create a monolayer molybdenum disulfide crystal. So first we have to give the number, the space group number is 194, and then we have to select the system structure, the crystal structure. It is a hexagonal structure, and you can see that 194 corresponds to which system, and then the lattice parameters. So the lattice parameters we have to adjust. So this A will be 3.16 by default, and then C will be 12.30, and then we have to generate the coordinates. Just you can see the atoms from periodic structures. We have to generate this molybdenum. So molybdenum I have selected, and then sulfur. So and then I'm giving the site details. So I'm selecting C, and then you can see the multiple products and parameters, and then this F for sulfur, and then I'm adjusting this set coordinate to 8785, and just I'm applying this details, and then it will take some time to generate the structure. So you can see the molybdenum disulfide structure, and then you can see this periodic view. You can see this crystal structure, that bilayer structure. So this way we can generate one crystal structure. And now I will show you that how we can generate this from the database. So from database we can directly load the structure, so it will take some time. So I'm using that database search bar, and yes, so just type on MOS2, so it will generate. Yeah, you can see that molybdenum disulfide monolayer. Just apply that. You can see it is loaded into this interface. It will take some time. So once it is done, yeah, so the number of atoms imported. So I'm just maximizing my window, and you can see that how it is uploaded, and then I'm just changing it to periodic display. So now you can see the single layer molybdenum disulfide structure. So in all the X. So these are the ways which we can upload a structure to this interface, and the plan is to calculate the single point energy, the periodic density of state, and the band structure. So in the next video I am focusing on how to generate all those inputs using our band GUI. So you can see on the right hand side what are the inputs we can give. So it will be a little bit time consuming step, so I will brief it step by step so that you will get a better understanding. Thank you.